Today's horror, Yellowstone volcano eruption warning after Giant Geyser erupts spews debris into the air. Whether it's an earthquake or a real change in thermal features, whatever is happening beneath Yellowstone's surface is further evidence of the sensationalist notion that Yellowstone, one of the world's largest volcanoes, is on the verge of an apocalyptic eruption. With so much activity at the world's largest geyser, it could be the worst possible sign that a major eruption is imminent. Does Steamboat's erratic eruption signal impending doom? The activity at one geyser has nothing to do with the volcanic system, Poland said. The hot water piping system is not directly connected to that system. Most of Steamboat's water mains are within a few hundred feet of the surface. It's geologically shallow and too shallow to reach the depths of Yellowstone's roiling magma chamber. If that were the case, we would expect changes throughout the park and beyond just one geyser, Poland said. Steamboat Geyser is perhaps Yellowstone's most dramatic and temperamental thermal feature, which means it often overshadows the incredible basin in which it resides. The Norris Geyser Basin is renowned as one of the most unique geyser basins in the world. One trend among geyser basins is that they all fall on one side of the pH scale. Old Faithful and the Lower Geyser Basin fall on the neutral alkaline side of the scale, which tends to produce the bright colors seen at Grand Prismatic Spring, which is also neutral alkaline. Meanwhile, the mud volcanoes and surrounding thermal features fall on the acidic side of the scale. Poland says any thermal feature with bubbling mud, like the artist's paint pot, is typically acidic, though most are no more acidic than orange juice. In contrast, the Norris Geyser Basin has features on both ends of the pH scale. Steamboat Geyser is alkaline, but Aquinas Geyser, a short walk away, has the same mild acidity of vinegar. Usually you only see one type. Norris has both, Poland says. Norris is a very dynamic thermal area and it changes more than any other thermal area in the park. It has a lot of heat. It's one of the hottest areas in the park in terms of the temperature it emits, and it has this mix of compositions. Perhaps Norris's ever-changing nature can explain some of Steamboat Geyser's erratic swings, but getting a definitive answer won't change its personality. It takes more luck than patience to witness a major eruption of Steamboat, which may be part of the reason it remains one of Yellowstone National Park's most beloved features.